Hey guys, we're here today at the Art of Animation Resort. Today we're going to do our review on one of the desserts over here. So we just had some pizza. Figured you guys didn't want us shoving pizza in our mouth in front of you again, so we're trying something different today. Again, a lot of people saying we should do some reviews of the dessert, so we're going to give it a shot. Bear with us, guys. So today, Morgan, show them what we're testing out.
We are testing the Mermaid Tail Cupcake.
Mermaid Tail Cupcake, and everything in here is 100% edible.
Other than the wrapper, obviously.
That's the Mermaid Tail.
You have the little mermaid tail there.
Alright. So, Marley, you want to give it a shot? So I actually got a little mermaid tail. I don't know if you guys saw, but it's got actually a little mermaid tail on top.
Can I have the mermaid
I don't know if Morgan can show you that without prying it apart, but it's got a little dinky mermaid tail.
The mermaid tail right there.
Actually put that right up in front so they can see how close the detail on the tail. That's pretty cool. It's actually got really good detail on that mermaid tail. It's probably really cool. It's got all the lines and all the cuts in it. So we're going to give it a shot. So it's something different. Marley wanted to try this one. So we're going to give it a shot. Put it right on your plate, Marley. There we go. Put it right there. So,
you want the
well,
mermaid
right now, take your spoon and take a bite. Get some frosting.
Get some.
You will. They can try some of that first.
Get some of the frosting. Get like right there.
And even the paper is edible.
Get right there.
Yep. Help her out, Bubba. There you go.
I wonder if this is gonna taste good.
There you go. What do you think? What's it taste like?
What's it taste like?
You try a piece, Bub?
It tastes like the ball.
And I'm not even sure what kind of actual cake that is, but we'll find out in a minute. Oh, the balls are on there.
It's very moist. I like it. Can I get the mermaid tail off? Can I get the mermaid tail off? Okay, that's harder than no. We're gonna have to do that last.
Well, the balls are actually like a
no, I wanna like cut it
almost
off.
like you just bite through them. You can taste them, but they're not like a hard ball or anything. Just like a I don't know what that is. What's that? Hey, don't worry about the tail. Try that for now. You'll eat the tail later. I want to try another piece of that. Get another slice.
I didn't have any of these.
You gotta eat it. I'm trying to get an idea what it tastes like.
Should we take it out of the wrapper?
I'm trying to see if the balls actually give you some kind of like a fruit burst or something. They're not really hard or anything. They just break really easy in your teeth, so it's not anything that's like a hard ball. Usually you would think that if you're eating these guys like on a normal cake you have at home, they're like a super hard thing to bite through. But Marley's throwing it on the floor there. The cake. I think there's a flavor in the middle too. Take your time, Marley. Go down to the center. The cake tastes like almost like a normal cake frosting on top. It doesn't taste like anything out of the ordinary.
That frosting tastes super good. This.
Can you get in there, Marley? No, it's hard because everything wants to fall in. I want to see what that's down in the middle there. There's some kind of like a lemon or something in the middle.
I'm trying to take this off.
There's lemony in the middle?
Yeah.
It's got like a lemony tart or something on the inside. It tastes like a lemony flavor. I don't know if you can see that.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a paste.
Yeah, the top tastes like a normal birthday cake. The frosting is like a regular frosting. It doesn't taste like anything out of the ordinary. The beads on the outside, when you're tasting them, when they initially bite down in them, they got like they break really easy. But it tastes like some kind of burst of something. What's that? The flavor? That's a
pineapple.
The pineapple? Is that what it is?
Here, I just tasted a bit of pineapple. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting thrown off by the frosting.
It's like so close to.
Let me get in there, Marley. Let me get in there. Give me a shot. Let's see. Go down through the middle. I just want to taste what's in the middle. You can have the top part, Marley. I want that. See what that is.
Here, I got some. Pineapple.
You're right, Morgan's right, it's a pineapple. So the inside's like a pineapple-y flavor. The top of it's like a normal frosting that you'll taste when you get a cake from just about anywhere.
There will be pineapple down there.
Cake's good. Just a yellow cake.
No. There were pineapples in there.
And how about the mermaid tail, Marley? You want to take a bite of that?
Yes.
Break a piece off? You could try a piece of that.
No, I'm trying to take the whole thing off.
Well, give Morgan a piece so he can taste it too.
I'm like trying to get it off.
You might have to use your fingers on that, Bubber. And then use the spoon underneath it. There we go.
Here we go.
Now put it down on the thing and break a little piece off it.
Get it off.
So they're going to give the tail a taste, see what that is. And I believe the paper on the outside, the gentleman said that the paper is edible also. I'm not going to eat the paper.
I'll try the paper.
Morgan's going to try the paper.
I'll be the judge of that. Which part do you want? This part.
Take a little bite. Tell them what it tastes like. I'll let you guys taste the tail, okay? Get in there. What do you think, bud?
White chocolate.
White chocolate? So deceivingly, it's white chocolate. What'd that taste like?
This looks super good.
Chocolate?
You'll know. If you've ever gotten some of the white Hershey bars with the brown/black sprinkles, is this yours? You'll
This
know
one
what
is.
I'm talking about.
Yeah, so overall, we haven't tried that. Morgan, you want to taste the paper? He said the paper is edible. Or he lied to me. And we're actually going to get a picture of the actual listing for this up at the display case, so I'll post that with the video so you'll be able to see what's on it and stuff, what's in it. I don't know if they got the ingredients
The paper's
on there.
not edible.
It's not edible. So they may have misinformed us on the edible paper. So don't eat the paper on this, guys. But the actual cupcake, very good. It's regular. It's a yellow cake. Nothing out of the ordinary there. It's a yellow cake. The frosting tastes like a buttercream or a buttercream. I can't tell the difference between the two, but it tastes like a basic, almost like the same as you'll get at Walmart if you're eating it, to be honest with you. And the inside's got like a pineapple cream to it, but overall it's a good cupcake. And you're looking, when you guys get this, you know, it's just about everything in here dessert-wise is going to be over $5, so, but it's around there. So all in all, if you got to get a dessert and stuff like that, you want to try something new, it's a real cool looking thing to try. But what do you think? You give it 2 thumbs up, 1 thumbs up?
Let's do a 1 to 10 rating.
1 to 10 rating. What are you going to give it out of 1 to 10?
I'd say a 7.
He'd give it a 7. What are you giving it, Marley? How do you like it? Really good or not really good?
A 10 out of 10.
Marley said she'll give it a 10 out of 10. And me, I'd probably give it, all in all, I'd probably give it like a 9 out of 10. But it's a good tasting cupcake. It's definitely worth trying and stuff
Part
like that.
of the thing that
And they
made
also,
me bring it down was the non-edible paper.
the non-edible paper. We may have been misinformed about that, but
'Cause in
there's
Animal
also another
Kingdom-
one that we're probably going to try, and that's going to be the raspberry. They've got a raspberry cheesecake one. It's actually misleading because it's got like a gold covering to it. But all in all, that's it on this one, guys. Thanks a lot. See you on the next one.